Children, welcome back to VPS e-learning class. Children, as you all know that yesterday I have taken the revision of lesson 11 of English language beta, that is degrees of comparison. Today I am going to take the revision of lesson 7 haircut of English literature beta. So today I am going to take the revision of your word meanings, who said to whom, question answers. So you all have to get ready for that, and all you know about the lesson that there is a DNP who's marveled about his name, whose full name is Duraikanan Nalalgan Parsarthi. In this chapter, one day DNP is going to buy some vegetables in the market. So he passed through a park. When he sat there for a while, he slept for a while. So some pupils are giving some coins to him in his cap. So he think that people are thinking about him that he is a tramp. So he thought about himself that I have to take a change. I have to change my look. So he go to the salon to make a haircut. In the salon, he give the order to trim his beard and uh, a small sleeve. After that, when he get up, he saw that the owner of the salon uh, give the assistant order. So assistant has trimmed his all beard and mustache and make his look totally changed. Now he angry with the salon and assistant, and he said that why you have done this. I have told you na only to do the trimming of my beard only, and why you trimmed all the hairs and beard. So after that, when he came out of the salon, he saw a young woman is standing also in the bus stop, and she says that young man, this make happy to DNP. So this is the chapter about. So I am going to take the revision today. So let's begin with the revision, children. So get ready with your copy and pen. As you all know that yesterday I have taken the revision of English language lesson 11 beta. Today I am going to start with revision test paper 2 of your lesson 7 haircut. So mention today's date, that is 18/12/20. At the right side, classwork beta. Write the meaning of the following words. First word is reinvent. Second word is weary. Third word is tramp. Fourth word is grubby. So you have to write down the meaning of these following four words. First is reinvent. Second is weary. Third is tramp. And fourth is grubby. Come to the next question. Question number 2 is answer the following questions. So in this, why did DNP argue with Mr. Soni? You have to give the answers of the following questions. First one is, why did DNP argue with Mr. Soni? As you all know the story, na, in that at the when DNP go to the salon, he argued with Mr. Soni. So you have to write down the reason that why did DNP argue with Mr. Soni, children. Come to the next. Why did DNP grow a beard? In this you have to write down the reason that why did DNP grow a beard. So you have to write down the answer only. So come to the question number 3. Answer the questions about these lines from the story. You have to write down this question like this. After that, give one line space and write down this statement. You have to write it down in your notebook also. Okay. Then you write down the answer. The question is, where did these come from? He asked himself, looking bemused. In this, where did these come from? So this you all know, when you read the story, when I have explained the story, that the DNP is bemused on one thing, na? So where did these come from? He asked to himself, looking bemused. So you have to write down the answer of these questions. Who said these words and where? Who said these words and where? Second is, what is referred to by these? And the third question is, why did the speaker decide to do because of this incident? So children, again I am repeating the questions for you. Write the meaning of the following words. First word is reinvent. First word is reinvent. You have to write down the meaning. Next is weary. Weary. You all know the meaning of that. So write down it in your notebook. Next is tramp. Tramp. Fourth is grubby. Fourth is grubby. You have to write down the meaning of this. Come to the next. Answer the following questions. So the first question is, why did DNP argue with Mr. Soni? Why did DNP argue with Mr. Soni? You have to give the reason for that. You have to write down the answer. Give one line space after completing the answer of this question and start writing the next question. Why did DNP grow a beard? So you have to write down the next reason, that why did DNP grow a beard? Beard means dadi. Come to the next question. Next is, answer the question about these lines from the story. In this, you have to write down the answer according to this statement. Where did these come from? He asked himself, looking bemused. Who said these words and where? Okay children, you have to write down the answer in one statement. Who said these words and where? Come to the next. What is referred to by these? What is referred to by these? Come to the next and the last question of this revision test. Why did the speaker decide to do because of this incident? Please students, give one line space after completing one answer and make your writing neat and clean properly. Use blue and black pen for the questions and blue pen for the answers, and you have to write down the answer and submit it in your class group before 9:30 beta. Okay, so learn the chapter properly and I hope for the best children. Okay beta, thank you.